Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here, building a 1,200 square foot cottage and kind of documenting the process. This is the fourth video in the framing series, but there are quite a few other videos before that and cutting the pad, water installation, power, that kind of stuff. So video number one was framing out the downstairs, this basement area here, all the way up to the subfloor. Video number two in the framing was putting in the interior walls. Video number three was rolling the trusses out. And now we're on framing video number four. That's gonna be putting this deck in on the backside and then finishing up the trusses and the walls up to those trusses right there. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll go around the top, get a better look at it. Sheeting some of the roof, a California framing on the roof, and then the front porch beam. So there's a lot coming in this video. Try and keep them like 10-20 minutes or so, but this will give you a quick overview of this whole building project. I teach high school wood shop, and I really love sharing this with my students at school, and any of you out there who might be interested in an overview series of building a house. We were going to use a LP Smart Board siding, which is a shear wall and siding in one, kind of like a T111, but supposedly they're not producing that anymore in California. So we're going to use 3/8 inch shear on all the studs. That's what you see down here. And then in addition to that, then we'll just use hardy plank over it. It is a little more labor intensive because you got to go around the whole house twice. But I like that hardy plank. It's a concrete product too, so it's a little better for fire safety. So you can see the 3/8 inch shear wall with OSB right here, right on the house, the Tyvek lip right there. And then here's the flashing for the deck. All pressure treat using lags to attach it. This is a ledger. The joists are gonna hang off of this ledger. And the other thing we'll do in this video too is get this front porch in. So here's the front porch. You tell here all the posts and beams all covered up. Here's the deck. All the joists are in and blocked. Pretty solid, pretty big. There's another good angle of it right there. Beautiful. Slight delay on the project. Got a snowstorm kind of unexpectedly. Was hoping to have the roof on and sheeted before we got big weather, but you never really know. Everything's covered up pretty good. Probably get some swelling and warping, but we'll see how it goes.
So put the slug on your back. Yeah, you're tight right there, though. Yeah. So maybe it's not going to do it. You want me to come up?
No.
Okay.
Where's he going? Go down there. Hold on.
That's a really cold, wet weather, snow, but making progress. Here's the front, right here, the posts and the beams, looking absolutely spectacular. Rafters, the whole front wall. So there's the front porch. Beautiful joinery, really nice. And then here's the back deck. Just some forming boards on top of the joist to work. There's that big beam in place. Again, beautiful joinery there. Forward progress today. Beautiful view right now in the evening. Here's the deck. Without the decking on it, just some form boards put down to support the scaffolding. So that main beam could be put in place. That post up to that ridge beam, then back down to that post, onto that beam there. You see us coming together really nicely. That snow set us back a little bit. Blue skies, big progress. So here's the front porch, all framed in. These soffits right up under those joists, but the rest of it will be open. Coming into the house. Well, these will be those windows into the great room. Just cross bracing till everything's sheeted and finished. And then here's the back porch. So it'll have those windows up above, all framed in, all getting blocked in. And then there are outriggers on this side to put the barges on. So let's go take a look at those. There's the barge on the outside. And you can see how nicely that's done around that beam. Looks beautiful, beautiful joinery. Big progress today, weather's staying good. Got some shear wall on. I'm gonna use horizontal lap siding, the hardy board on here. So shear wall goes on, then Tyvek and the siding. A few more pieces and blocking on the roof. Hoping to sheet early next week, and then roof right after that, and we'll be ready for winter.
Dad, can you show him your little video?
LP Tech Shield, sheeting on the roof. Almost all the shears up. Such incredible craftsmanship, speed, attention to detail, loving it. Sheeting's going on the roof, and then that California frame in, and then we'll be sheared and sheeted. Nail inspection, Tyvek windows, doors. Wow, really coming together nicely here. Inside, you get a pretty good feel what it'll look like. So that's all glass doors. It's all sheared and all sheeted on the roof. So those are all windows looking out. So it'll pick up that view to setting sun. Sheeting's coming along nicely. These guys are knocking it out super quick. I see those frame-ins there. Also got the pantry framed in, so that's kind of nice right there. All the stairs in. It's going nice. Long day, but man, it's all wrapped up. Framing package is all done. It's all shear walled. All the roof is sheeted. Man, it's beautiful. So impressed with these craftsmen, do such gorgeous work. If you haven't seen the other videos, there's a playlist from property development all the way up to here. There's also just a framing playlist, but this will be the end clip right here. And then from here, we'll do roofing, siding, electrical, plumbing. I don't know how many videos that'll break into, but